Alrighty. Alright, back to the clutch set. So now, first thing we want to do, we want to get this shift boot back in place. Don't forget about your little pin. Stick that in there. And then grab your shift selector. Let's slide that in. Just move this piece out of the way. I don't got it in there yet. Just trying to make sure that I get it in position. There we go. Alright, so how to check your gears, make sure your gears are all good. So right now, if you look down here, there's this little notch right there. If you line it up with this, you're in neutral. How you know you're in neutral, you can spin either of these and hold the other side. So that's how you know it's in neutral. So if we go down one, no, other way. No, actually the other way. So you're in neutral, go down one, it's first gear. This isn't letting me stop it. That's how you know you're in first gear. You don't hear no clunks, no clings, no clacks. So it's good news. Check the rest of the gears. Neutral. Second. Third. Fourth. And fifth. So let's take her back down to neutral. Alright, So it's in neutral. Now it's time to put in shift selector. So these, how this works, got these little slots with these little springs with bumpers on them. You're gonna stick them in the hole, like so. Then these will slide in there like that. That's what you want it to look like. Let's do this side. Once you got that together, there's your shifter mechanism. So then what you're going to do, you're going to slide this through here. So once you get it in there, these are going to sit on there like a butterfly. Make sure they can't go in the other way. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to take this, make sure it's the right way first. So that's how it's going to go in. You want to take this, don't want to drop that. So, get this all back together. Once you got it all back together, squeeze these two paws in. Then alright. So you're going to slide it in like this. These will seat in there like that. And then you're going to want to slide it in here. Pinch these paws, and then it should slide right into place. Put your screws in, or your bolts. Slide your washer on. Slide the shifter shaft in. Gonna have to pick the motor up. Alright, slide it on like so. Now you got your shifting mechanism done. Alright, so now let's go to your Kickstarter shaft. For this, you're going to want to make sure this little white thing's all the way down. Little white washer. Alright. Stick that in there like this. Test this out real quick. We'll shoot back up. That's good. Ooh, we probably should have slipped this in there. The 2 lines, you want them to face out. See how there's no lines on this side? So you'll put that on there. Now it's clutch time. So you'll want to throw your sleeve on. And then get your primary gear. Take this clutch out. And now you're going to want to put the actual clutch basket in. Oh. So you're going to want to have to sit this up because of the shifter shaft. Slide this on. So got that in. So now you're going to want to slide your secondary gear on. And the washer says out. So you want to put where it says out on the outside. There your bolt on there, or your nut on there.